Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a Sofi savings account. Let's get straight into it. The first step, of course, is to open the Sofi app, or you can visit the Sofi website and log into your account using your email and password. Next, you want to click on the savings or accounts tab, and then click on the open a savings account button. Next, you want to choose your savings account type. So there are a couple of options. There's Sofi saving account, and that's a traditional savings account with a competitive interest rate. You also have Sofi's savings account with vaults. Now this is a savings account with separate vaults for specific saving goals. So just go ahead and choose whichever one of these two that you want to open. Next is to fund your savings account. So fund your savings account with an initial deposit, and set up automatic transfers from your checking account or other funding sources. You can do that there. Next is to set up saving goals and vaults. This is optional, by the way, but you can set up specific saving goals such as emergency funds, vacation funds, down payment funds, whatever it is. You can create separate vaults for each of these savings goals. The seventh step, of course, is to review and confirm account details. So you want to review your savings account details, including the account type, interest rates, and the funding sources, and confirm that the information is accurate, and that's going to help you to set up that savings account. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a Sofi savings account. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.